Versus Bulldozer fails of the week. I miss fails of the week. And this is like a really old train that is like vintage and probably for show. It was going on an exhibition. Okay. Steam train, yeah, really old 1930s train.
Pelan-pelan kan?
Oh my god. Whole tree. Whole big branch tree. Oh no.
Oh, there it goes. Come on.
What an idiot. What killed himself? Oh my god, so dumb. I love how like the person is recording this. Like she knew it's gonna happen, so she put the camera there and started recording. Oh no, this never ends well. I can do it. Oh shit. Oh yo, no. Oh my god.
I'm pissed.
Oh no. No, this is not good. No.
Oh.
That's what you get. No, Grandma. She's laughing. She's fine. Did you see that? That guy touched Grandma's boobie. He touched her left boobie. What's that hand doing there? Grandma still gets it. Why? Oh, you broke it! You meanies! Just leave it and run. How to tell him he's fat without telling him he's fat. Okay, this is not funny, bro. That was not funny. Why? Idiot, why? Oh.
Ủa để ý ngành hiện chứ không có đấy nhé.
Bài.
Too hot. You can't put too hot food like that.
Oh.
What was that? Was the dog?
Table fell over.
It was the dog. Stand by it. It was the doggo. Oh no! Bro, what is going on? What is this family? How is he doing this? Oh! Never mind, I don't want to know. I don't want to learn this.
Keep going. Oh.
Yeah, when I was a kid, one time I did this too, but yeah.
Oh.
Yes. Oh no, poor kid.
Whoa.
So this happened. I forgot to set the timer.
Okay, I understand you forget to set the timer, but at what point did you like think with your brain, maybe it's time for me to check my pizza in the oven? It kind of looks like it took so long. You know, maybe I should just go, or hear me out. Maybe it smells like something is burning in the house. Something smells like it's burning. Maybe I should check the oven. That's a clue. my god, guys, stop hitting each other.
Break.
Oh. Oh. Oh, thank god he skipped like that one curve there.
Yeah, one.
Do you see on the left side? I don't know. Do you see here? Look here. How did it make it there?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm going butch. Yo, so drunk, bruh. A balloon.
Can we lead him?
That is huge.
Oh, grab the fish!
Grab the fish.
Swim. Has to be in neutral. I'm in neutral, guys.
Don't panic. I got it all on film. Bro.
Priorities. Grab the fish. That guy is literally swimming for his life, and his friend is like, grab the fish. Oh my god. Grab the fish while you're there. Oh my god. Oy. More of this is gonna happen in the future, I'm just gonna tell you.
Coming home. Girl.
Colleen.
Ellie!
I think he's missing a couple
Colleen?
letters.
I think he's missing the L-O-W.
L-O-W? What? Halloween? Halloween! Halloween! Oh no! Halloween. Happy Halloween, everybody! Oh, yoy. Oh my. What are you doing?
Okay. It starts going. Like,
Ouch.
Push me again. Let's see what happens.
Yeah?
Yeah, why not?
Oh no.
Stop.
He almost hit his, honestly, almost hit his head on that thing. Yeah, why don't you push him up and see what happens? What do you think is gonna happen? Oh, he just destroyed the whole...
Doggo, I don't think it's safe for you to go there, sweetie. Maybe come back. Yeah, it doesn't look stable for you. Oh, it's slippery as well. There's water on the... Oh, no. Okay, we're going for a swim today. Whee! It's fine. It's a doggo. He knows how to swim.
What a great idea, indeed. You are such a smart guy.
Why
Here.
are you out of your paddock?
Applause.
And how the hell did you get in there? Jesus.
His name is Jesus.
Milo.
Milo, what happened to Jesus?
Jesus.
Jesus
Milo.
is stuck. Ah, it's Milo. Jesus Milo. That ass. Is he actually legit screaming at her for slipping and falling? And now he's hitting a tree. See, you just have to show this video when you ask for divorce. That's it. Alimony going your way, sweetie. The kids are with you.
Stepping out of the truck.
There you go, and then you just flip it. A sandwich. Look at
The
that.
hell, bro?
So
That's not
yummy.
how you do it. So soggy.
Side bags too.
An alchemist in the making. Experimenting and doing what alchemists do best. Playing.
Alchemist, sure. Wait for him to do this. Just kidding. An alchemist and a drug dealer in the making. Oh, or a drug user. Okay, never mind. Don't do drugs, kids. All right. That was fun. A couple of these clips I will have to edit out. So if you see a cut here and there, even though it's live reaction, I did react to the whole video live, but there were some kids being hurt and some people really getting hurt. Like, I feel like it was painful a lot. So these videos I usually have to remove from YouTube because I can get a strike if they are on the channel. So yeah, only uncensored.